Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix Windows 11 File Explorer crashing problem. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all going to your settings of your Windows, go to your update, and if any update available then download and install in your PC. So in my case is a downloading will be started. So update your window. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After opening that, first of all type a command is sfc space slash scan now and press enter. After that type a command is dism space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health and press enter. After that type a exit and exit the command prompt and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try our next method. The next method is that open a file explorer, go to your these three dot, click on options. After that select this PC, uncheck the show recently file in quick access, uncheck show frequently used folder in quick access, click on clear options, click on apply and OK button. After that close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try our next method. The next method is that in the start menu right click, go to your task manager. After that scroll down and find out a Windows Explorer. Now here is a Windows Explorer. Select it, click on restart. After that close it. After this that, I hope your problem is fixed. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.